Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. What's up, guys? Today we are going to be putting brand new M2C parts that just came out and a brand new motor and ESC from a Mojave 4S onto this big rock. Stay tuned, guys. If you want to see the full video, we are actually live right now, so go check it out. All right, Byron got the big rock out here. Oh,
yes! I know I didn't hit that at least once a year. Oh, I broke it.
All right, guys. Today we got big rock durability test number 2.
Bent shock shaft.
Bent shock shaft.
I bent the shock.
Usually cars don't make it to durability test number 2, but the big rock has proven worthy. Don't you think, Byron?
It just broke.
Did it really?
Yeah.
The shock actually just broke? Oh. That was the intro of the video. Well, yeah, that's completely bent shock there.
It'll be okay.
Well, keep sending her. That sucked. That was a little bitty jump too. Or was it when it hit the pole?
I think it was when it hit the pole.
Oh. That was a double tree shot. Oh my gosh, that's funny. Cowbunga. Oh, oh. Yeah. Nosedive. Your specialty, Byron.
People love whenever I nosedive stuff, apparently.
Oh, oh. Is that an A-arm shot? That was a JATO shot and it took it. Oh, come on, two-wheel drive. Yeah, we're out here at our playground that we used to always come to with the big jumps. Let's see how the big rock is. All right, we got a different angle of it here. Oh! Oh! Yes! That was a straight body killer shot, man. That was a body kill shot. Oh, nosedive. Nice.
I did break it.
He broke it in it.
I broke it in it.
What'd you do?
A-arm.
It's okay, I got another one.
Oh, I didn't even get it. That's a broken A-arm now. A-arm now. Oh! Oh, oh. Bro, you were like, I would say an inch away from hitting the side right here and just completely killing it. If you would have hit that side right there. So let me see the A-arm that you broke. I didn't get it on camera.
Oh, I broke the rest of this off. Wow. Right out of here.
Oh, yeah. Who cares?
Oh, no, that is the new one.
Oh, so you don't have that one?
No.
It's Arrma tough.
Arrma tough, baby. Arrma always breaking A-arms when we come out here. Oh! Body's broken too. Wow. Yeah. Nice. Oh, oh. Completely low riding now. Look at you. You squatted, bro. You tooted up. Yes! Yes! Nice! Nice, Byron. That was a kill shot. Oh my God. Oh, I think only that A-arm's broke.
Broken A-arm.
Yeah, you just broke the A-arm more there.
No, it's good. It's still there.
So what are you thinking, Byron?
Body's destroyed.
Yeah.
Body is seriously destroyed. A-arm's destroyed. Shock's bent. Oh, okay. Hello. Oh, look, this thing flew off.
Oh, what was it? Oh, was that the front body mount?
Yeah. This body mount sucks.
Yeah. Body mount does suck by them. I didn't think the clipless body system could get worse than some of Traxxas's, but they figured it out.
Are you about to go, Austin? Yeah. Oh, that sucks.
He's gonna stand right there. Oh!
Oh, that thing's broken.
Oh, dude, the whole front is broke.
Oh, look at mine.
Look at it, big rock. I think you're good, Austin. I don't think anything happened to it.
Straight.
Yeah.
Slammed the.
That's not a durability test. I don't know what is.
Yeah, it was a straight bulkhead durability test.
I wouldn't stand there though.
Here comes another one. Austin durability test.
Are we gonna test Austin's forehead? Because he's not moving.
Austin!
Why are you standing there? What are you standing there for, Austin? Yeah, well, get out of the way, Austin. Austin's trying to be like Ryan.
There we go. Yes.
Oh! Is that a broken chassis?
I don't want it to be for you.
Oh, no, okay. It looked like it.
Yeah. It looked like it's popped out there, but it's not. So far, A-arms and body, man. That's it for this truck.
Shot.
And shot. Oh, yeah, shot. Keep her going. Oh, oh. Yes! Did you break the other A-arm?
No.
No. That was a nice shot, dude. I think you're all good still.
We're golden. It has a metal gear.
Yeah, that is cool that the Big Rock does come with a metal gear. Oh, yeah, I think you just finished it off, Byron. The A-arm. It's gonna be a little hard to steer now. Ow. Ow. Oh, I'm more worried about this chunk of dirt he just took out. Oh my God.
No, I'm missing a shock.
Oh, you're missing a shock? Oh.
Dude, it came off.
The whole shock is
Where'd
off.
it go?
Oh my.
Oh, it ripped it.
It ripped it right out of the A-arm. Well,
There it is.
oh, you found
Oh,
it?
dude, he found it.
Hey, the screw's still in it.
Nice. Nice.
big
Hold on. Okay.
Yeah, it's big.
It's still fine. We'll put a new top on it.
Well, is that to the floor?
Yeah.
Motor mount. Gotta be meshes too tight.
All right. Well, she's done.
Round 2 on the Big Rock did a number for it. Is the motor done for?
All right. Something smells funky.
Oh, something does smell real hot. You guys smell that? Yeah.
I should have slapped him in the face with it.
Well, guys, Big Rock round 2. Byron did a number on it. He did done killer.
The first time that I jumped it, lost that little black piece, that little gray piece.
Oh,
right there.
no.
It broke that, and it broke that tab off. How it broke the tab off, I don't understand.
Arrma.
Besides that, it's been a good truck, but Byron finally killed her today. We'll have to see what's going on in the... I bet the motor just pushed down too much on the spur. Now it's time for the M2C parts, boys. What do we have here, Byron?
We've got the Big Rock 223S, but it's not a 223S no more.
Yeah.
Put the motor and the ESC out of the Mojave on it, and controller with the receiver, because you know it's not 2-in-1 on the Mojave.
Yep, so we're running on 4S now.
Yep. We also installed MTC crash bar,
Yeah.
bash bar, whatever it's called, and then the 17mm adapters.
Oh yeah, and you're running on the Mojave tires.
Yeah, the Mojave tires,
Yep.
and then the motor mount.
Ooh, that motor mount's nice.
Yep. Sorry about all the green pollen.
It's okay, it's Texas time, buddy.
Yeah, I'm dying over here.
Aren't we all?
Bradley, you done? So then China Hobbies hit us up, said that they were tired of seeing us only run for 8 minutes.
Yeah,
on the
literally.
Mojave. And so the Mojave died, by the way. Just so everybody knows, Mojave is...
They should have seen it in the last video.
Yeah, they saw it in the last video. So I just decided to destroy it the rest of the way and just put everything into this. But anyways, this is 8,000.
120C, bro. This should pack a punch.
This should be fun.
And hopefully it lasts a lot longer than those Spectrum batteries. So thank you, China Hobbies, for sending that to us.
Thank you, M2C.
Yeah, thank you, M2C, for letting us try out these new things and seeing what breaks, because you know, Byron's going to be a good tester of it. Woo! 4S in the Big Rock. And it's sitting on punch 9, too. It's about to be rowdy.
Center diff, so that'll be fun.
Oh, and by the way, guys, Byron's front mount totally tore out of here.
Yeah.
So you're going to be seeing a lot of floppage today. Here we go, boys. First 4S test. Oh. Oh, oh. Oh, she seems rowdier.
She launched off the ground.
Yeah. We're going to be doing a little durability test over today. Oh, that seems way too rowdy. I like the floppage too.
That was super soft.
These are just the stock shocks.
One's bent.
Oh yeah, one shock is bent. There you go. That is nice.
I forgot it's that stupid Mojave system.
Oh, yeah. Back to the Mojave system. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Uh-oh. Oh, we're good? That sounded weird. Because it does have a metal center diff in it already. Oh, that's rowdy.
What are you doing standing in the road, Bradley? That actually hurt.
You want a kiss from Daddy?
You want a kiss from Daddy? Oh! That was sick. That was a one wheelie wonder right there. Oh.
Not quite.
Not quite.
Can you backflip off the curb?
Uh-oh. Broke drive shaft. Broke drive shaft. Right. Oh my God. Maybe the drive shafts can't handle it.
Dadgummit. Bradley.
We were 3 minutes in. Rear wheel drive until the front diff housing blows up. Rear wheel drive, big rock. Yeah. Rear wheel drive is still ripping. Oh. But then that's a problem. Walk of shame. Yeah, dude, your shock is done for too. He's just gonna roast that front diff housing. Oh my God, that tire. Oh. Oh yeah, look how bent that shock is. I'm gonna go launch it off the ravine. All right, here's our canyon from last time we were jumping off, about a 30-foot drop. Oh. Nice. That drive shaft is flopping around. Oh my God. He's gonna roast that diff housing. Nice. Oh my God, the body. I think the body's gonna fold in half. Oh. Oh, the body. It's just easy access body now. It's bending right there. Oh my God. There you go. Rip the body. Oh my God. Look at this body. That's probably pretty cool. Yeah. Oh, one more jump. One more jump. Nice. No, it's still good. Still good. Oh, it's backwards now. The body is backwards. Oh, there it goes. Oh no. There, don't just blast right in half. Oh man. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to see what this dip housing looks like. Here you go. Here's you some trash, buddy.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna melt some if I keep going, so.
You done?
Yep.
All right. Well, the battery lasted a long time.
Yeah, it did.
Lasted way longer than Spectrum. Dude, I mean, your shock is like completely bent in half.
Oh, I broke another A-arm.
Broke another A-arm.
Yep, that's normal. It's always the left one. I have so many right ones.
Bash bar did pretty good. She scuffed up. Motor mount, of course, the mesh still sounds good.
Yeah.
And running the Mojave tires, I'd say, was a big difference. I hope you guys enjoyed that. That was pretty fun. I think the M2C parts definitely helped the durability of it. And we're going to be back with another axle. Oh, it died right there? Yeah, that was still a lot of playtime. I think it was over 15 minutes of you just going full blast. And the truck is having to lug a lot more since it's only two-wheel drive.
This is like Gucci Mane.
Got a brick.
Got a brick.
There's a butt shot of Zachary.
Oh yeah.